County has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, western Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Glen Moore, or 11 miles northwest of West Chester, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, West Chester, Norristown, Stonington, West Norton, Norton, Coatesville, Yedden, Downingtown, Conshohocken, Fulton, Antler, Swarthmore, Collegeville, Royersford, Narberth, Trapp, East Lansdowne, Morris Park, and Putown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 303 and 340. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 26. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 15 and 17. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 350. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 4 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. A severe